Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain the main component of computer system. Okay, computer system has mainly two type of component. First is known as hardware and second is known as software. Okay, first I'm explain you what is hardware. Okay, hardware component in computer, those devices or those components which are physical component of computer is known as hardware. Okay, or you can say the component of computer which are seen by human being, or you can touch it, these components are known as hardware. Okay, hardware in computer system are those component or those devices which are visible to human being. Okay, in other hand, second is software component. Software component are those component of computer which are not visible by a human being. Okay, you can't touch it or you can't see it. Okay, software actually, software is a collection of programs. Okay, and program is a collection of instructions. Okay, you can see the diagram. The computer component mainly divided into two type. First is hardware and second is software. Okay, hardware component are further classified into two type: input devices and output devices. Okay, as well as software also classified into two type: system software and application software. In several books you also read that system software, or you can say application software, and general purpose software or special purpose software. But mainly software are two type: system software and application software. Okay, uh, in previous video lecture you also know that input devices. What is an input devices? Input devices are those devices by which we can instruct to the computer. Okay, or you can say input devices are those devices by which we can provide the input to the computer. Okay, such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, touch screen, etc. Okay, next is output devices. Output devices are those devices by which computer can display the output, or you can say result. Okay, output devices are mainly printer, projector, plotter, monitor, speaker, etc. Okay, now what is a system software? System software are those software which are required for system to operate its own operation. Okay, system software essential for computer to execute its own operation. Without system software, computer can't execute its own operation. Okay, that's why system software are necessary for it. Okay, the example of a system software, you can see it: operating system, loader, drivers, etc. Okay, whereas application software is a software which are used to interact user to the computer. Okay, application software are basically used for user point of view. Okay, in other words you can say without system software, computer system can't execute its own operation. Okay, but application software are totally used for user point of view. For example, if user want to play music on the computer, then media player should be required for playing that program file, or that movie or audio files. Okay, uh, as some user want to play game, then such type of application game should be installed on computer. Okay, this is the major difference between system software and application software. Application software are basically used for user to connect to the computer. Okay, for example, communication software, web browser, compiler, media player, okay, etc. These are the application software. If any user want to access the internet, then web browser should be installed on the computer. Okay, this is the major difference. Application software are totally used for user point of view, whereas system software are required for system to execute their own operations. Okay. So guys, here you should attention actually the definition of program software. Then firstly I want to telling you the exact definition of program. Actually program is a set of instructions. Okay, the set of instructions is known as program, whereas the set of programs is known as software. Okay. uh, Guys, you should know well, operating system is a system software. Without operating system, computer can't access anything, computer can't do anything. Okay. So guys, I think this information is useful for you. Thank you.